So, I mean, we're seeing a lot of police deployment at Assin Mpraeso currently, and quite a number of bystanders as well. Some of them are armed. You've been here. What exactly has happened? What have you seen?
Yeah, we are doing a monitoring. I'm an observer for NDC. So we came here and then we met some people here trying to cause a mayhem. So we tried to calm the situation down. Later, we saw some force coming, and then Wuntumi was the lead. He was just here and trying to command his guys to go and beat someone here. So they chased him up here and they start firing guns. So they shot
the individual?
Yes, where the filling station is, just there. They fired the gun, but unfortunately, I don't know, the guy, I think, so the gun, they rushed on him and then they started beating him.
Some people, there's some
right
inside.
They started, yeah, they started beating the guy, and that was it. So they all came here and then left. So I think what is happening here, this is elections, we want peace. We are here for peaceful elections, and then we don't want to cause any mayhem. But we plead with the police, because here you can see the police, they are all disarmed. I don't know why security people are